have a rainbow house. And it has 6 doors and windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think these 2 are windows and these ones are doors. Because they kind of look like doors. This one looks like a garage door. And this one is definitely a window. It looks like a bedroom window. And this one is a window. And this one looks like a door for a farm. This one looks like my house door. And this also looks a bit like a garage. Each door has a latch. Can you see? They're gold. And you can open them to see what's inside. Let's see. My first one is number 1. And it is a window. Can you see? It's all purple with little hearts and has the curtains that have polka dots on them. All very purple. And it has a nice latch. You open it by lifting it up and then turning it around. And then, can you see? There's a little hole. And inside, there is a purple horse. Can you see? 1 purple horse. My second one is a blue window and has number 2 on it. There's the latch. We're gonna hold it by this spot. We're gonna turn it around. And then we can open to see what is inside. 2 blue dogs. 1, 2. Then I have my number 3. And what color is it? Exactly, it's yellow. Well, we're gonna lift the latch and see what's inside. Open. Oh, I can see a cat. And another half a cat. Let's open the other door. We can see 3 yellow cats. I have my red door. And it has number 4 on it. Let's see what's behind door number 4. Look! I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red rabbits. My green door. It has number 5 on it. There are 5 green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my last one is number 6, orange. Let's open it. There are 6 orange fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish. Now I have opened all my doors and I can see I have 1 purple horse, 2 blue dogs, 3 yellow cats, 4 red rabbits, 5 green frogs, and 6 orange fish. Let's close all the doors and play a game. Do you remember what is behind door 3? It was 3 yellow cats. Do you remember what was behind door 4? 4 red rabbits. Do you remember what was behind door 2? 2 blue dogs. Do you remember what is behind door 5? 5 green frogs. Do you remember what is behind door 1? One purple horse. And do you remember what is behind door 6? 6 orange fish. Now, do you remember behind which doors we had frogs? Five frogs. Do you remember behind which door we had cats? 3 cats. Do you remember where we had rabbits? 4 rabbits. Do you remember where was a horse? 1 horse. Do you remember which door had dogs? 2 dogs. And do you remember which door had cats? 3 cats. Now we have found all the animals and we know where they live.